Sponges are animals of the phylum Porifera. Sponges are multicellular organisms, which means they're composed of more than one cell. Sponges have a lot of pores and channels, allowing water to circulate through them. Because sponges do not have nervous, circulatory, or digestive systems, they rely on water current to do tasks done by those systems, such as obtaining food, removing waste, and obtaining oxygen. Sponges are considered to be the simplest animals. They lack true organs and tissues and have internal skeletons made up of spongin and/or spicules of calcium carbonate or silica. Sponges have no body symmetry at all. The water that flows through the sponge enters through the central cavity and deposits nutrients. Almost all sponges are marine, but there are some few freshwater species. When a sponge reproduces sexually, amebocytes differentiate into egg cells or sperm cells. They are then fertilized to produce a zygote. The cell then divides through mitosis. Eventually, it will become a blastula. It then enters the mobile larval stage. It grows a flagellum so it can move. Through metamorphosis, it settles down. The flagellum then develops into collar cells. During this process, the sponge is always a hermaphrodite, meaning it can act as either the female or the male in reproduction. There are two main ways sponges reproduce asexually, either by budding or by fragmentation. Budding is when the sponge develops from an outgrowth or buds on another one. The new sponge stays with the original or parent sponge and attaches when it is mature or at its peak of its growth. Fragmentation is when a sponge splits into fragments. Each of these fragments develops and grows into fully grown clones of the original sponge. Sponges are all over the oceans, at different temperatures, at different depths, and at different types of grounds. Most sponges are found on flat surfaces, such as rocks, but some sponges are able to attach to soft sediments through root-like bases. There are more sponges in temperate waters, yet less sponge diversity than in tropical waters, probably because there are more animals that prey on sponges in tropical waters than in temperate waters. In 1997, it was reported that bottlenose dolphins in Shark Bay, Western Australia, use sponges as tools. Basically, what they would do was attach a marine sponge to its rostrum, which it presumably used to protect it when searching for food in the sandy sea bottom.